The RQ-4 Global Hawk is a high-altitude, long-endurance, remotely piloted aircraft with an integrated sensor suite that provides global all-weather, day or night intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance, or called with ISR capability. Global Hawk's mission is to provide a broad spectrum of ISR collection capability to support joint combatant forces in worldwide peacetime, contingency, and wartime operations. The Global Hawk provides persistent near real-time coverage using imagery intelligence, signals intelligence, and moving target indicator (MTI) sensors. Global Hawk began as an advanced concept technology demonstration in 1995. The system was determined to have military utility and provide warfighters with an evolutionary high-altitude, long-endurance ISR capability. The Global Hawk has been deployed operationally to support overseas contingency operations since November 2001. Global Hawk is flown by a Launch and Recovery Element (LRE) and a Mission Control Element (MCE). The LRE is located at the aircraft base and functions to launch and recover the aircraft while en route to and from the target area. The MCE controls the Global Hawk for the bulk of the ISR mission. Like the LRE, the MCE is manned by one pilot, but adds a sensor operator to the crew. Command and control data links enable complete dynamic control of the aircraft. The pilot workstations in the MCE and LRE are the control and display interface cockpit, providing aircraft health and status, sensors status, and a means to alter the navigational track of the aircraft. From this station, the pilot also communicates with outside entities to coordinate the mission: air traffic control, airborne controllers, ground controllers, other ISR assets. The Sensor Operator Workstation provides capability to task the sensor, dynamically update the collection plan in real time, initiate sensor calibration, and monitor sensor status. The Sensor Operator also assists the Exploitation Node with image quality control, target deck prioritization, and scene tracking to ensure fluid operations. The system offers a wide variety of employment options. The unmatched range and 30+ hour endurance allow tremendous flexibility in meeting mission requirements. In 2014, an RQ-4 Block 40 flew a 34.3-hour flight, setting the endurance record for longest unrefueled flight by a U.S. Air Force aircraft.